37 million Americans snore on a regular basis, but the habit doesn't just affect the snorer. Get this, snoring is the third leading cause of divorce in the U.S., behind infidelity and financial issues. Ursula Perry has some tips for stopping your snore.
It's the nighttime noise that you or your bed partner dreads. Snoring can ruin a restful night's sleep for you and others.
It's estimated anywhere between 25% up to 50% of the U.S. population snores on a regular basis.
Snoring happens when muscles in your tongue, roof of your mouth, and throat relax and then constrict airflow. The result is a vibration of tissues that creates noise. There are many possible causes, including allergies, the shape of your throat, weight gain, large tonsils or adenoids, or sometimes sleep apnea, a condition that causes pauses in breathing while you sleep. And
even though there's hundreds of treatments available, the vast majority are either unproven or ineffective.
So what does help? Sleeping on your side. In one study, about half of snorers with sleep apnea were able to stop when they changed to this position. Also, avoid alcohol, as it can further relax your muscles. Losing weight decreases pressure on your windpipe and allows more air to pass through. Nasal dilator strips and this over-the-counter treatment called Theravent may also help some people. Theravent uses your own breathing to create gentle pressure that naturally opens nasal airways. If snoring is severe, you should see a sleep specialist. A CPAP machine, mouth guard, or surgery might be better options for you.
By the way, about 40% of men habitually snore as compared to 20% of women. If you're not sure you fall in that category, there are apps that you can buy. One's called Snore Lab. It listens to you throughout the night and will tell you in the morning about the noises it heard. Ursula Perry, KSAT 12 News.